Oh, you've got one as well. What have you
I've
got?
got the caramel one. Which you got?
I've got the nice cappuccino one.
Oh, how do you take your coffee anyway?
Well, I take it shaken, not stirred.
Oh. You should bring it over there, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'm enjoying this in a short while.
Absolutely. So, fourth video, decimals.
It is, and the question you'll be given, we've neatly put up on the board for you.
Here you are.
These would be your questions, and it would say, using the information something times something equals something, answer the questions related to it.
Yes, so this way you don't need a calculator, you can use this.
So in this case, it's 67 times 29 equals 1943 is the information you're using to answer these decimal questions. So how do we do that?
Well, Wayne, all that's the difference between that one and these ones is this one places and moves to the left or the right. So using that, we can use it's divided by 10 how many times, or times by 10 to find out the answer.
So you'll notice the 6.7 times 2.9 is like the 67 times 29. So the answer is going to be 1943 moved a little bit in the decimal.
So this one's been divided by 10, moved one place to left, and so is this one. So we have to do the same thing to our answer, but twice as well, dividing it by 10, and then again, which is the same as dividing it by 100.
So if you divide this by 100,
moves
you
decimal
shift
place
it
to the left.
right. Well, my right, I'm facing this way. That way. It's 19.43. You should be familiar with your timesing and dividing by tens, hundreds and thousands.
Yeah. And that will be the answer. You do a similar thing here, but the both numbers are changed in different ways. This one's been times by 10, relative to that.
Yep.
And
the
this
other one has been divided by 10,000 if you count how many decimal places it's moved that way.
So we have to do that to the answer we have here. So if we
times 10 and then divide by 10,000 is the same as dividing by 1,000.
It is, which is the same as moving the decimal place that way 3 times. 1, 2, 3, so the answer becomes that.
0.943.
This one's a bit different, isn't it, Wayne?
This would be the tricky one out of the 3, because they've rearranged it. You'll notice you've got the 1943 shifted a bit and a 67. So the answer is going to be along the lines of 29.
Yeah, absolutely. So what's changed here, Wayne?
Well, this time, this has been times by 10, and the 60, that's a 10, and this has been left normal, so the answer is going to be times by 10, and that's that.
Yeah, so this becomes 290. And that's about as hard as it gets, really. It's quite an easy part of the paper, but it is non-calculated, so you have to use that.
It's all really about counting your zeros and looking carefully at what's going on. And
Yeah.
that's decimals for you.
Hey, well, I think I'm going to enjoy my coffee now.
I think I'm going to enjoy my cappuccino.
Absolutely, let's do it.